Hi friends, welcome to Pharma Job Alert YouTube channel. Today's video is OmniActive Health Technologies Limited. You can see walk-in for position is production trainee. These walk-in are conducted at 3rd August 2024 Saturday and time is 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Coming to the education and qualification, B.Tech Diploma Chemical Engineering can apply to this position and operating non-critical equipments in extraction process of herbal ingredients. And BSc Chemistry candidates apply to this position. And 2023-2024 pass out candidates can apply to this position and only freshers. And shift is rotational, male candidates only. And stipend will given under 15,000 per month. Interested candidates are requested to come and share their updated resume, mention email ID and WhatsApp to mention given number. Please refer description box for HR email ID and contact details. For more job updates, please join our WhatsApp group. Our WhatsApp group link is available in description box below. These are the details regarding walk-in interview. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and share to your friends and family members. Thank you for watching this video. For job updates, subscribe to YouTube channel Pharma Job Alert. Bye. See you in the next video.